Guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is Google Chat and how to use it. So guys, first go to Google and type over here Google Chat. You can also use this on your mobile. I'm going to show you for example using mobile and computer. So guys, open the first link. So some interface looks something like this, and also you can see my mobile screen over here. You can simply go to your Play Store and search for Google Chat, and you have to download. I already download, so you have to just simply open. So guys, this is an interface something like this, and you can search the email right over here. For example, this is the email, and you have to just type the email, and you can see some option right over here. I will send over here hi, and click over here send. You can see one active over here. Ignore or accept. I will accept, and after that how it works I will show you some basic. I'm going to send over here hi. I can send emojis, and I can send photos and videos right over here. If I will click over here allowed, I will not allowed right now. I'm just showing for your example. If we are going to click over here in plus sign, as you can see photos, camera, GIF, link me, and more options right over here. You can select. We can call, video call over here, and what we got else, search a conversation, send feedback. And if I going to go back, and as you can see over here, nothing in space. If you are going to create a groups right over here, you can do from here. And in settings over here you can see active right now, active, do not disturb, and more option you can select. And if settings, in settings you can just customize little bit over here. And from over here in PC, the same option to upload, video call, and you can make the screen little bigger. You can see over here the chat. You can chat from here. If I will cut this, I will go for my chat. The same option to send a media files and send a file. Let's see what we got. I will send a audio or a tool. You can send from here. So guys, it's very easy to use and it's not very complicated. You can also see some settings right over here, the same process. So guys, it's nothing too difficult. So guys, it was very easy. So many people might be confused how to use this, so I just make a really quick video. So guys, that's how it works. You only have to search an email right over here, and you can have a conversation with your friends using email. So guys, that's all in this video. So guys, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out, bye friends.